started a book he had written with Naushad Forbes called From Followers to Leaders. It was all about alternative approaches to industrial development. And one chapter that struck me in particular was all about design innovation as a competitive strength for developing countries. One thing led to another, and within a few years, David was McDonald's supervisor. The topic of my research was the relationship between Bollywood and the fabricatory industries in Nigeria. In the first phase, I was embedded in a set building company. I arrived at the F4D set company in Lagos on the 11th of July, 2015. It was an expensive complex. There was the workshop, the big studio, and then across the road they had the administrative hub and design centre. I got quite close to Paul, the owner of the company, Mr. Memphis. He was trained as a sculptor, but really he was a polymath. He was just a master across so many materials, from wood and steel to perspex and fiberglass. And he explained how he transferred that expertise from the world of fine arts into film sets.
Some of the designs we design here because we have a design unit next door. And once we're done with the design unit and the client okays those design, then we'll start construction in the workshop. For the big sets, we probably will make use of the studio, but the set